In ancient times, magicians wielded tremendous power in society. Today, of course, we realize that the mysterious world of magic is truly the world of science.
How you guys doing today? Great. Well, my name is Mr. Dennis. The name of the assembly is the Magic of Science. And if you're wondering what magic and science have in common, the answer is everything.
All magic is comprised of illusions, and the majority of illusions are based on scientific principles. The magic of science allows everyone, both in the audience and on stage, to become a magician. Everything done in this 45-minute program looks and acts like a real magic trick. The only real trick, though, is that everything done here is science at work. The magic of science studies chemistry, light, vacuums, optical illusions, physics, and the very important subject of mathematics. All of these are demonstrated. Everything performed has a scientific principle behind it. However, each of these topics will appear to the audience as a challenging and astonishing magic trick. The 45-minute presentations are tailored for each age group, kindergarten through 8th grade, and will provide appropriate academic content. Even more exciting are the hands-on workshops offered as part of the full-day format. These sessions teach children to apply principles seen earlier in the day by creating their own take-home magic shows. Come with us on a journey of exploration into the science behind the magic.